all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to go through them. These are the words of Walt Disney, an animationist. Some time ago, he made this pronouncement. Today happens to be the 12th day of July 2024, and it is the last day of writing BECE examination for all students who are not writing Arabic in the country. For students who will be writing Arabic, next week, Monday, is their last day. But for 90% of the students in the country, today is their last day. So this is Apodel's Multimedia. My name is Mr. Apia Mensah. I am currently heading towards one of the centers where the BECE examination is being written currently to have a feel of the last day of this examination writing. I am heading towards FIASEC Senior High School, to have some interactions with the student after writing their last paper. Today happens to be the 12th day of July 2024, and it is the final day of writing BECE examination for all schools that are not writing Arabic. Right, schools that will be writing Arabic would continue Monday, 15th of July 2024. I believe here on the channel we made available an excerpt video of what students felt the first time they've entered to write a BECE examination at various centers here in TARKWA in Swayim. So since we have started, we have to end. So we are heading towards FIASEC Senior High School to see how the ending will be for these students. Please, if you find this video helpful, do the needful, okay? Kindly subscribe to our channel and share our videos. The purpose of this channel is basically educative content. We make possible educative content, fancy educations, fancy lessons, as well as any educational program, school-related programs here on the channel. It will be available. So you have FIASEC Senior High School in your shots. We are getting closer to have you have a feel of the ending of this year's BECE examination here in the TARKWA in Swayim municipality. I met you last Monday. So how is today's paper?
Today is not written.
You are yet to write. That is career technology. Okay, so your school, you are not writing French.
No.
Oh, okay, that's good. So, how was yesterday's paper?
Well, by God's grace, yesterday was fine.
It was fine.
Yesterday it went well. Even though we were scared, but yesterday by God's grace,
You did it.
everything went well.
You did it.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Hey.
Paulina Edu. What school is this? Achempim MA. All right. So today, what paper are you writing today?
Career and technology.
Career technology. Hey, that's my subject.
I'm expecting that I could do well in the career.
All right, that's good. That's very excellent. Thank you very much. I have some few students from Knowledge Paradise Academy in the TARKWA Swayim municipality. Please, how are you doing? Wow, you have a nice uniform.
Thank you.
So what are you writing today?
Career technology.
A bit louder.
Career technology.
Career technology. So you've not written anything yet, right, this morning? Okay, so you are not part of the school's writing French.
Yes.
You don't like French?
Yes.
All right, so how was yesterday's paper?
It was very nice, amazing.
So what subjects were those?
Fancy and mathematics.
Fancy and mathematics. It's fancy we book paper no cry. Hey, na mathematics na nko ntebu no. Hey, you want pen results in when be I come. Okay, nti mama mbisa aketesi ese. Na mathematics no code na say okoye pa, tu me kire we. Nti mbisa bisa obi a na ade bia na. I want to put you in the visa. Good. No, you say,
It was good.
It went well.
Yes.
It's fancy now, is it? Me share fancy. So me YouTube channel, a fancy channel. You share fancy pan. Inti Bisa, Fancy no Mama Crowd Bay, issuing your bay or moil dog.
Oh, the
Translation. It's maybe a phrase, it's not also one translate to phrase in Uncle and I brought food to A.
English.
Yeah, I have a lot of these videos on my channel. Oyepa. Hey, me uncle, me one Berekasa. What is your name? What?
Daniela.
Daniela. Hey, Daniela. No fancy not then. Okay, pa. Into career tech, no. What dream board I available? Bibia or Hobia?
Yes.
Okay, what road runner? All right, no answer my. Jerusalem. Jerusalem basic. MA. Okay. So what paper are you writing this afternoon?
I'm this today writing
Career technology. So what are your expectations?
expectation.
Are you hopeful that whatever will come, you'll be able to write it?
Yeah,
You are very hopeful.
yes, please.
We thank God. So what's your name?
My name is Isaac.
Isaac. All right. Another student here in my show. What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Mary Ishen. What school is this?
Jason.
Jerusalem Basic School. Okay. So what are you writing today?
Career technology.
Career technology. What does career technology involve?
It involves a lot of things.
Like pre-tech and home economics and visual arts or something like that. Okay. So are you hopeful that whatever you have learned, surely you will be able to write them?
Yes.
Okay. We thank God for you. Okay. See you later.
My name is
Eunice
Janice.
Janice AJ. What school is this?
Jerusalem.
Jerusalem Basic School. Okay, that's excellent. So, what are you writing today?
Career technology.
Career technology. So, what are your expectations for the subjects? What are you expecting? You're a good grade. All right. So, I'm talking about the subject itself. What are you expecting that it should come? Pre-tech drawings, like isometric drawings, oblique, perspective. No, that's what I mean. Okay, thank you very much. As at the time this video is being recorded, the time is 12:22, and the bell has been rung for students to enter to write their final exams. That is career technology. It is a final examination for all students that are not writing Arabic. So that is it. So you could see in your shot students from various schools going into their various seating areas to get themselves ready for this subject, career technology. And you have students with drawing boards in their hands, and they get ready to get themselves settled to write their final exam. So we'll be here until the end of today's last paper. That is a paper for the week or the year to end, and then we'll have a feel of how things would go with the students here at FIASEC Senior High School Examination Center. Looking at how students are, walking, some are so relaxed, walking into the room. It reminds me of my own examination. As at the time, you have students. Some students are quick to enter into their rooms. Others are so reluctant, probably knowing that whatever they have learned is sure to come, or they are not scared. And for that matter, if you look at the first, that is 2 days of examination, students are always in a bit of a hurry to enter into their various centers or their various classrooms for their paper, because it's a first day or first days of the examination. But coming to an end, it looks like some of the students or most of the students are very reluctant going into their centers for the examination. That is one of the things, it's part of nature. So that is it. The bell has been rung, and then students are getting themselves ready for their final paper. And we have officers in charge of the examination also, as you can see in your shots. These are the two officers who have permitted us here. Without their permission, we cannot be here for this coverage. So they are also getting themselves ready to supervise the examination here at Fiaseman Senior High School Exam Center. We are still here at the examination center of Fiaseman Senior High School, and checking the time now is actually exactly 3-7, and the bell, the final bell, has gone. Kadang, kadang, kadang. So the BECE has actually come to an end here at the TARKWA Fiaseman Senior High School and all other examination centers in the country. So students have successfully completed writing their BECE examination here in the Fiaseman Senior High School Examination Center. And across the nation, this examination is being written all in other areas. So you could see the joy behind me with students, the joy that comes when students really successfully write their exams and then complete. So we are going to get closer to these students and then have some few interactions with them to see how it went with this very last paper that they just wrote. So we are going to get closer. So we have some students here, and they're coming out with their drawing board, some embracing others and stuff. You have ended your exam successfully. So how was it? You wrote it, right? What drawing was that? What drawing was that? Okay. You didn't draw, there was no drawing. Okay, that is very good. So that is what the feel around here at the Fiaseman Senior High School campus. Students are very joyous. And let me get closer to some students. How did the exams go? You wrote it well, right? All right, so we want to get closer to some few students to have some interactions with what actually they feel of the examination today. If you have ever written a BECE examination before, you can understand the joy that students go through when they are done with the BECE examination. How was the paper today?
Just good.
All right, thank God.
Okay.
Were you able to write? All right. Okoye. I hope you are excited. Well, I'm trying my best to bring you some of the excitement, the instant excitement that comes with students writing and then successfully ending a BECE examination. That is indeed very interesting to watch the excitement in the faces of students jubilating. I can see you are very happy today. Why? Why are you happy? Why are you happy? Why are you so happy today? All right, that is good. So as you can see in your shot, usually when students complete writing their examination, you have students getting themselves designed, Lacoste or T-shirts with their school logo and school inscriptions. Some schools, students may prefer to include their nicknames also in this uniform. What school is this? Abompiniso. Oh, okay. So I have a school in your shorts that is a Wetland International School. I want to have some few interactions with some of the students here and see how things went with their examination. I can see you are very excited today. Why are you excited?
Because the exams went well.
It went very well. What's your name? All right. So your school is Wetland International School, right? All right. We thank God you successfully ended your examination. All right. We hope things go well. I have another one in my shorts. Oh, where is she going? All right. So. Why are you so happy?
Because you are very.
Of your school. That is your school. Why are you so excited? Why are you so excited?
We are so proud that we have also complete school JHS.
JHS. That is excellent. We thank God. We thank God. We thank God. You are really jubilating. All right. Yes, what's the account? Why are you so excited? See you. People watching the video will see you going away. They will see. So it's better you stand and talk.
We are done.
You are done with what?
With the CTEC, the BECE.
The BECE exams. That's why you are very excited. So can you tell me something? They will see that you are turning. They will see.
I told you.
So it's better.
Juliet.
I could see in the face of this wonderful student, she's very sad, whilst others are jubilating. And when I asked why she's very sad, I think what came out was that because she's really going to miss her teachers. Is that true? Oh, that is a wonderful teacher. Some people don't want to even see the faces of their teachers at all. All right, so it means your teachers are really wonderful. All right, thank you very much. What school is this?
I know, baby.
I do. So let me ask, if I may ask, why are you so excited?
We're excited because we have now finished right now.
Your final exam, that is BECE. Okay, so that was
To get good results so that
good grades, yeah.
so that we go to
So that you can go to schools of your choice.
I love it.
Your choice. So that is your choice is Infantaman. And then what is your choice? Holy child. Hey, so you are a holy child then. All right. So bye-bye. So that is students from Ideal College. Ideal College for we are happy to bring you the excitement that came as students complete their examination here in the FIASEC Senior High School Examination Center. We believe that and hope that this excitement is carried in around the country nationwide as students complete their final BECE examination. Of course, there are students who will be writing Arabic. They will do that. That is 15th of July 2024. That is coming Monday. But for all the students who are not writing Arabic, they are done. This is the end of the BECE examination for them. So the question is, what next? We pray that they would have a successful result as they hope for, and their teachers also hope for them. And we want to tell you that this is Apodel's Multimedia. Here on this channel, we do our best to teach you the fancy dialect as well as educationally entertaining programs here. And this is the end of today's video making. Thank you for coming to the channel. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Your thoughtful comments are also always welcomed. The name is Ochachrenyi Apiemensa. See you once again here on Apodel's Multimedia. Bye-bye. So what school is this? All right. Okay, so why are you so excited? I don't understand. What's going on?
Because we have also complete school JHS.
All right. It calls for excitement. It calls for excitement. All right. So